Hello, thank you for joining us. The case against a Twin Cities police officer is now in the hands of a 12-person jury.
Officer Jeronimo Yanez is charged with manslaughter and the shooting death of Philando Castile during a traffic stop last July. The jury got the case this afternoon. Susan Elizabeth Littlefield was in the courtroom today in St. Paul. She joins us now with the latest. Hi, Susan Elizabeth.
Hi, Amelia. It was about 1 o'clock today when both of the sides rested their case. The jury had lunch for about an hour, then they went to work. At 4:30, they decided they're going to wait till tomorrow to talk about this further. Now, this case is personal to a lot of different people around the world, in fact, for a lot of different reasons. One reason is that we all saw the aftermath firsthand.
I mean, he was reaching for his wallet, and the officer just shot him in his arm.
It was a case millions watched, that millions made an opinion on. Now, the opinions that matter are the jury's. Prosecutor Jeffrey Paulson made his final plea to jurors late Monday morning. The evidence shows Officer Yanez is to blame, not a victim, he said. He spoke of Philando Castile as a kind school cafeteria worker who paid close attention to kids' allergies. He said that he was a good man, but not perfect because he used marijuana. Of Officer Yanez, Paulson said he chose to use deadly force as a first option, not a last resort. A point Black Lives Matter supporters echoed after the prosecution rested.
Mr. Castile was in fact in compliance, that Mr. Castile was in no way, shape, or fashion presenting any kind of threat.
Defense attorney Earl Gray loudly spoke his last few words, saying Castile prompted the whole incident. None of this would have happened if Philando Castile wasn't smoking marijuana, he said. None of this would have happened if Philando Castile would have followed orders. Gray said Castile favored an armed robbery suspect, and that put Yanez on edge, and he had a second and a half only to act. We have him acknowledging he's got a gun, might be a robber. Those are the things going through Yanez's head. Gray also tried to discredit Diamond Reynolds' accounts, saying they didn't add up, and pointed to her marijuana use. Gray left court after the jury was charged.
I don't have really much to say. We got in the evidence, everything.
And now the say is up to a jury on how a quick traffic stop ended a life and caught the world's attention. Now, there are 3 charges that the jury is considering. The most serious of those, manslaughter. They're going to meet again at 9 o'clock in the morning. You can count on WCCO to let you know as soon as this verdict is reached.
All right, Susan Elizabeth, thank you.